Hello, and welcome to another tutorial. I am now going to teach you how to align the scans outside of the DentalCAD software using Meshmixer. To begin, press on Import. Select your jaw scan and finish importing. Once the scan is loaded, you can see it's aligned to the orientation that it is in the bite. Our goal is to avoid changing the position of the jaw and change photogrammetry output to align the scan bodies. To import another scan, press Import. In the pop-up window, we would like to press Append, in which case Meshmixer will load both scans in one scene. Now I will import Micron Mapper photogrammetry scan in STL format. As you can see, there is currently no alignment between the two scans. First of all, I'll go to Edit and then press Transform. Now, using the arrows in the middle, try to manually eyeball the alignment between the two objects. Make sure you rotate and translate the scan bodies, not the jaw scan. It does not have to be very accurate, just try to position the two close to one another. Something like this should be enough. Now on the left-hand side, press Accept to save modifications. As you can see, scan markers now partially overlap with intraoral scan, which is what we're looking for. From here, the goal is to make perfect alignment that can be further used to design a restoration. To do so, we will set intraoral scan as the target by pressing on the magnet next to the appropriate scan in the object browser. After the target is selected, we can now switch to the scan markers. Next, area selection for alignment is required. Press on Select and use the brush to paint scan markers with your left mouse button. Once the scan markers are painted with the brush, we can go to Edit and select Align to Target from the drop-down menu. As you can see, the alignment became much better. To further improve the alignment, decrease the error tolerance to the minimum and press on Improve Solution. After this is complete, you can now accept the changes. There are now two meshes. One is an intraoral scan and another one is a photogrammetry scan. Overlapping intraoral scan needs to be removed. There are two ways to cut out the parts. In any case, you will need to hide photogrammetry scan by pressing on the eye icon. We can now go to Edit and click on the plane cut. You can navigate the plane any way you'd like to see it with the arrows you saw previously. Another option that I will be using is the selection. Click on Select and switch to the lasso mode. Now with your mouse, you can draw and therefore select what needs to be cut out. Once selected, you can go to Edit and press on Discard, which deletes the selected data. You can now see the clear intraoral scan with photogrammetry scan, and what is left to be done is to combine the two. This can be done by holding the control button on your keyboard and clicking on the scan that was not previously selected. In the pop-up window, press Combine. You can now see that this is the single object. Finish up by pressing Export. You can now name your file accordingly and hit Save. After this is done, you can import this combined scan into the DentalCAD software to design a restoration.